This is the C problem. In this problem, what we have to do is to basically we have to contrast or make the length of the string as small as possible, considering the case that whenever we see pair of AA or BB, we are going to remove that, and what we are going to do is to compress the string or contract the string, and then what the new string will form, then again we have to do the same thing. So in this, what's my approach is, my approach is to basically traverse through the string and keep the count of A and the B. Simply what I'm going to do is to make a array where I have to, during the traversal, what I'm going to do is to keep the count of A, that how many A I have during the traversal, and how many B I have. Whenever I encounter a B, I just check, is there any A I have before that position. If that exists, I will simply decrease the count of A, and then continue, then I plus plus. And if there is no any A, then what I am going to do is to simply increase the count of B. So you have to wait few seconds till I am start the coding, because this is the live recorded video. But because of some noise hindrance, I am uploading the audio once again on that video. But don't worry, I will keep on explaining every point of my code. Actually, you can fast forward my video if you want, because I was basically taking more time for understanding during the contest. So you can fast forward the video if you want. Either basically my idea was simple, is that simply keep the count of how many A's I have, and if whenever I see any B during the traversal of the string, I simply decrease the count of A, and if I don't say see any A, or simply suppose when we have two cases, either if we see A, we will remove that A, and if we not see that A, if we see the count of B, then we will decrease the count of B. Simply suppose it in this question we have the condition that if we see BB, then what we can do is to we can remove BB. So I'm doing the same thing here too. Don't know here, I'm basically taken more time, I think so. these things actually happen during live recording video, that which data structure you have to take, which will be the best fitted here. So it will take time to think once or twice, but I have done this problem in just 10 minutes. So I am taking some time because what I don't I'm basically doing something wrong, that I am not even taken the and but I will correct it. So wait few seconds. It will simply see the logic. What I am doing here is that if we encounter any A, what we are simply going to do is to increase the count of, we are basically taken the A as 0 and B as 1. So what we did is we increases the AR or 0 plus plus. Simply increasing, I am increasing the count of A. And now if I see B, so what my purpose is to remove AB if I found any. So what I'm doing here is we are checking that if count of A is not equals to 0, then what we will do is to simply decrease the count. Else if we will also check if the count of B is not equals to 0, because we are allowed to remove B and B. That's why I'm checking it. Now what we are going to do is to decrease the count of B. Else if both condition doesn't satisfy, we simply increase the count of B. So for in further traversal we will use that count. That is all about. And finally at last we are going to print the summation of left value of ARR A and ARR B. You said fast. Thank you.